Why is Python slow at writing large Excel files? Imagine trying to fill a giant swimming pool with a tiny cup. It takes forever, right? That's similar to what happens when Python writes huge Excel files. You might wonder why it takes so long. Well, let's break it down. First, the Excel file format itself is complicated. When you save an Excel file in the Xlsx format, it's actually a zipped collection of many Excel files. These Excel files store all your data, styles, and formatting. Generating and compressing these files takes a lot of processing power and time. It's not just writing plain text like a CSV file. Next, the libraries used for writing Excel files, like Openpyxl and Xlsx Writer, are designed to do many things. They don't just write data. They also handle styles, cell formatting, and allow reading and writing at the same time. This extra work adds overhead, making the process slower. For example, Openpyxl writes data in a way that keeps the file safe from corruption, but that safety comes with a speed cost. Memory is another factor. When you're working with very large datasets, these libraries often try to keep the entire workbook in memory before writing it out. This can cause slowdowns if your data is huge. Think of trying to hold a massive pile of papers in your hands. Xlsx Writer has a mode called constant memory that helps reduce memory use, but even then, it might not be as fast as writing simpler formats. Cell-by-cell processing is also a reason. Many libraries write data one cell at a time, which is very flexible but slow. It's like writing a letter one word at a time instead of typing the whole thing at once. Batch processing or streaming data in bigger chunks can speed things up, but most libraries don't do this by default. And let's not forget Python itself. Python is an interpreted language, which means it runs code line by line. This makes it easier to write but slower for heavy tasks like writing large files. The runtime overhead adds up when you're handling thousands or millions of cells. In the world of Python automation and scripting for spreadsheets, knowing these limitations helps you choose the right approach. If you don't need formatting, saving data as a CSV file is much faster. When you do need Excel's features, using Xlsx Writer with constant memory mode can help balance speed and memory. Also, try to avoid unnecessary style changes or data processing during writing. Using streaming modes when reading and writing can improve performance too. So, the main reasons Python is slow at writing large Excel files are the complex file format, the design of the libraries, how data is processed cell by cell, and Python's inherent speed limitations. Understanding these facts lets you make smarter choices and write more efficient scripts for automating spreadsheets.